it's right there. Right beside your stick. I see it right there. You're at the new trail. You're going a different way. Okay, so you know Lion King, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know the first movie where the monkey goes like this with the head on it? There was a try not to laugh video, and it went like this. He actually showed them throwing him.
Wow.
And then after that, all the animals just went.
Hang on. Go. Relax, relax, relax. There we go. This is a ringhead snake. You see him? Want to touch his tail? Touch his tail right there. See? He's just like the other snakes but this is us. This. And check out his lines. Look, you see all that. See all that? And they're pretty cool. They're not poisonous, I don't think. But
Stay on.
isn't that cool? Want to touch him again? He's not going to do nothing to you. He's not going to do anything to you. You're actually nice and warm. Isn't that cool?
That is weird.
Look at that. Keep touching his little tail. Don't squeeze him. Oh, cool. Keep stroking his little tail just to tickle him. Isn't that cool? See? Come on, you can get in there. I was just walking around and found this little guy. Oh, what's up, buddy?
Never even heard of a ringhead.
Like ringneck, ringhead. I don't know the actual typical name of it, but
I've
they're.
never seen one. We're from Louisiana.
Yeah. Yeah, these are kind of common. I lived in Alabama. I used to play with these guys too.
What anything? What about
Like
tadpoles?
puddles. Tadpoles, they also like puddles. They don't like rushing water like that. They usually like if you see the river.
Moccasins?
Well, yeah, water moccasins. Yeah, we don't want to find those today. But you see how the river's going? Now, if there was a couple holes there that were like puddles, we might be able to see some tadpoles depending on the season.
Or salamanders.
Or salamanders. Or
Whoa!
what?
You just stepped on it.
What did I step on? Oh my God! You scared the crap out of me. What is that?
I don't know. I thought it was a scorpion at first because
Yeah,
it had
it
its
looks
tail
like
like that.
That is
And then
so
you
weird.
stepped on it. I was like, wait.
And he still lived? Wow.
Yeah. Mickey Mouse and all that, and then Donald Duck never has any luck.
Donald Duck has no luck. No luck for Donald Duck.
This is what we were hearing.
Yeah. Good job.
Okay. That's
Come here.
Is that a waterfall?
Yeah. I'll catch you if you miss. All right. All right. Follow the steps.
I don't know. I don't think they have come up with them. I don't see any sight of them.
There's no tadpoles, but there's plenty of fly larvae. You see those? Wormy looking things?
Yeah.
That's fly larvae.
That's fly larva?
Pretty cool. All right, be careful. This is slick. Right here. All right. We're gonna have to get wet. You're gonna do like this. Watch. Just watch me. Step.
Are you sure?
Yep. There you go.
Oh my God, your sock is wet.
All right, that's fine. Woohoo!
That was awesome.
That was awesome. Oh, they didn't follow us. Remember what I told you about it? Head him off so he doesn't go under the rock. Let me see.
Yeah.
He's upside down.
I know.
All right, there he is. There he is. You need to cup him in your hands like I did. There you go. Let me see it. He is red.
Yeah.
That's awesome. All right, where do you want to put him? Right there? Okay.
Hey, he jumped out of my hands. I didn't even put him there.
Oh, okay. Let's go. Dude, you gotta see this. You gotta see this. Nice.
Oh. I'm okay. I'm gonna need need your hand, Daddy.
Watch out for thorns. Alright, up, up, up. You see the trail?
Oh, good.
Yep. Right ahead.
V pick large P.
Hey, pup. What's up, buddy? Keep going, man. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on.
I would rather use the rocks than just go right now.
And that was the waterfalls that we could find on Cochrane Mills Park. First time for the Phoenix. Trademark by.
So is my socks.
So is your socks. And now we're back to the car. Ooh, but first, lizard. Two lizards.
Over here.
Come on, guy. We're not gonna hurt you.
God, it scared me, and he jumped on my fingernail. Lizard.
You gotta be firm, but you gotta be gentle. And that's why he. Oh no, no!
I see him.
He's in here.
Move it again.
All right, let me get him. Let me get him. You gotta be quick. Okay.
Hey, little guy.
Hey, little guy, you wanna hold him? No, you gotta be. This little guy, he's spiky. He's super spiky and grippy. Now hold him right there. Don't squeeze him like on his little chest right here.
Okay.
You wrap the rest of your fingers around him. Grab that tail. There you go. Let me see. This one has awesome colors. Awesome, awesome colors.
You know where I'm gonna put him?
Where are you going to put him? Bye, little guy. Alright, that was a nice catch and release. And now we bury him alive. Yes.
I don't want anyone to disturb him.
Oh, you don't want anybody to disturb him?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, and that was a lesson of Cochrane Mills.
I put a little holes in there so you can slip in and out.
Okay, all right. Well, that was the last little adventure. Back to the car. Trademark. Trademark. Signing off. Till next time. Bye. Awesome.
Over there. Can you take a picture?
So I'm just walking around. Nice woods, you know. What's up, Phoenix?
Hi.
How you doing? Picked up this stick. It's a pretty cool stick. Wait a minute. There's a string on the stick. Oh. Hello, string. Cute little string. Phoenix, what do you want to do? You want to take it home as a pet?
Yes.
Yes?
I
Okay.
want to take the snake as a pet.
Okay, maybe we'll take him for a walk until we find some waterfalls.